Grand Rising traders, what's going on? So let's hop right into it. What do we have? So, yesterday we were on this candle right here. It was 9 a.m., I believe, right around that area. Um, I talked about this becoming resistance, and I did turn it to resistance when these four candles right here tested it and got turned back. However, that resistance turned out to be light, and we obviously crashed through, and we're up here at the medium resistance, which is currently holding that red candle right there. It wicked the 50% retracement line, and yesterday I told you that this was like a loose consolidation, and I don't usually box those. The reason why I did was because I noticed if I did, I'd have a similar situation to this consolidation box here, where it's close to a prediction line, and this one here close to a prediction line. So, new working theory on the blue lines is they could be future consolidation line areas. That's what it appears right now. And again, this testing is going to go on for weeks, months, possibly even a year before I have a complete understanding, or what I would consider a complete understanding. So anyway, we're currently getting held back right here by the medium resistance area. This is now acting as support again. As you can see right here, the candles tried to come down this way, got pushed back, and sent us up this way. The 61.8 retracement line doesn't seem to be having any effect in the current price action. So we'll see how that goes throughout the rest of the day. What I am expecting is this resistance area to hold, even though we had some good volume on the last candle. The volume, all the volume on this candle seems to be bearish at this point in time. It's 8:25 a.m. It's Wednesday, November 15th, and this is where we are for the moment. Like I said yesterday, we would crash through or come down to the 35K trigger point. If this support didn't hold, it didn't. And we crashed through, but we did find support underneath the trigger point. Trigger point did not stop it. The fib line here did not stop it. So we got some support underneath the trigger point, underneath 35K. It held, sent us back in the other direction, where we're currently seeing resistance hold pretty strong at the 50% retracement point. I believe that area is going to stay there probably for the rest of the day. Again, the volume right now is all bearish volume. So we may we may be turning around right here at this point and coming back down to what should now be support. Okay, this should now be support. We'll have to wait and see. It was support like twice before right here. So if it turns out to be support, we may start channel trading in between the new resistance and medium resistance areas. Those are both possibilities right now. However, we haven't channel traded since back here. So yeah, we could go into channel trading here. We are in expansion. And if you've been watching for any time, you know that only one of two things can come next, and that is consolidation or trend. Some people would say that this is not expansion, but that's exactly what it is. This isn't trend yet. Definitely not trend yet. Okay. When it just like sparks multiple green candles in a row and keeps going upward, then that'll be more of a trend. Speaking of which, let me look at the Heikinashi. And the Heikinashi says, yeah, it is a trend. It's trending upwards right now. I mean, okay, sure. How long it'll stay that way? Okay. That's interesting. I don't think I'd ever noticed that before. That the volume changes with the Heikinashi chart, which makes sense, I guess, because of the way that the candlesticks are read on this chart. So, yeah, the volume would change too. So that's charting all green volume. And that was my signal that I should be ending it now. I've gone over my 5 minutes. So I'm going to sign off right here. I'll see you tomorrow. Remember, this medium resistance will most likely hold for the rest of the day. We're looking to see if it's going to come back down here and make this support. We will find that out in the hours to come. I may actually do another video a little later on today, depending on how the price moves. If it's a strong movement, I'll go ahead and do like a part 2. Anyway, that's it for now. This is the Dark Sage signing off. And as always, you be blessed and peace.